this song about 10 years ago because there's something about Florida rain that just puts me in a mood. And today I'm feeling it, so hope you like it. It's called Rain. The rain keeps coming down and time keeps ticking like empty spaces passing by. My thoughts are so pure and my head is so clear when the rain is coming down. Rain keeps coming down, rain keeps coming down. Time keeps ticking like empty spaces passing by. What have I done today to help this human race to keep this state of mind in place? What have I done today to help this human race to keep this state of mind in place? The rain keeps coming down, the rain keeps coming down. Time keeps ticking like empty spaces passing by. Lightning strikes, thunder follows as the rain keeps coming down. The rain keeps coming down, the rain keeps coming down and down and down. And time keeps ticking like empty spaces passing by. Time keeps pressing on as the rain keeps coming down. Time keeps pressing on as the rain keeps coming down. Peace and love, y'all.